I have here the brand new Parrot Bebop drone, which is the latest addition to the Parrot family of drones. It flies up to 2 kilometers wide if you have a controller with you, but here is the drone itself first. So this got a little bit smaller compared to the second generation. You can see the rotors are a little bit smaller, but it's really still quite fast. And you have a really big battery on the back, which lasts about 11 minutes, that's what they told us, but I think it could even last longer when you just plug in an external battery over a micro USB here on the back, for example. On the bottom there is a camera which you can't use, it's only for measuring the distance to the ground, and on the front you have a really special camera now, 14 megapixels, full HD, and it's fisheye, so it has an angle of 180 degrees where it can see everything. You can just move around the camera inside the lens without having to move the drone itself, and it's really quite stable when it comes to video resolution. And as I said, you can go up to 2 kilometers far with this device if you buy a controller also with it. So the drone itself is 500 bucks. Here in the bundle with the controller it's 900, where you can also see here then how much battery life you have on the drone and on the controller itself. You can easily start and land with this button. You can, thanks to GPS, send it back home easily. That's an emergency button, and you have also here the possibility to just fly really fast forward, backward, to the left and right. On the other side you have the same structure, but this is for just flying up and down and rotating in the same level left and right. Then you have here your Android buttons, or in iOS you can use these of course also, because they have also Windows software, iOS and Android. With this button you can start recording, which you will see also here then, because you have a red light then, and you can also see how much Wi-Fi connections, or how far your Wi-Fi connection goes, up to 2 kilometers as I said, thanks to this big antenna here on the top. There is a little button so you can go through the menu if you have your glasses on, because you can also use it with virtual glasses like your Oculus Rift or any other company. HDMI, USB and micro USB again for charging your battery, that's here on the back, and it's the same battery as on the drone itself. So you can see how nicely it's mounted on here, this Apple iPad, but as I said also works with other devices. And this was essentially it from the Parrot Bebop drone, coming out this December worldwide. Thank you much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Balazs, and till next time, peace in again. So we are flying the drone right now. As you can see here, it's flying around here at the Tempelhof Airport, and we have a blue one right now, one of the 3 colors. And what's quite interesting is that you can of course use it with an extra controller. If you don't want to just use it with a tablet this way, you can use it with up to 2 kilometers distance, and especially here with the 3D glasses or just the glasses, it will be quite awesome to just fly around if you have it in your own hand. And it's really quite nice to just fly here with this controller, where you will see especially exactly everything what the drone will see here on the display. You will see here just in front of your eyes. So this was a really short hands-on with a brand new Bebop Parrot drone, quite awesome little device. Thank you much for tuning in. Till next time, please tune in again, and for more information just check out our YouTube channel.